Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. And here we have another number which has the power. So we have to solve this quiz using palm task and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list, we have four answers. A is 26, B is 11, 2, and C is 134, and D is 142. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from. So here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And if we talk about the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve first the bracket. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But inside bracket, we have multiplication, but we have a number which has the power. So first of all, we cannot multiply 2 multiplied by 3 because we have 3 raised to power 4. So first thing, we have to solve this power. So what we have to do, we 5 multiply by 2, 3 raised to power 2, 4 means 3 multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Like 4 times we will multiply 3's. So we get the answer is 21, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So here we will write 81 and are divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. We will write here as it is. And we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 4 means we will write like 81. Now move forward. Now we can solve the bracket because we have two terms which are simply multiplying each other. So we will multiply these two terms 5 multiplied by, and now 2 1 the 2 and 2 8 the 16. So like 162 here we will get the answer. Divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8, we have to write like this way. 2 multiplied by 81 equals to 162. Now move forward. Step number 1 and 2 we have solved parenthesis and exponent part. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have this multiplication, like 5 multiplied by 2. So we will multiply both of them. 5 2 the 10. So we will write 0 and 1 will be carry. 5 6 the 30, 30 and 30 plus 1 becomes 1. Sorry, 1 and 3 we will get carry, and 5 on the 5 and it becomes 8. So if we check like 5 multiplied by 162, so we get the answer is 8 10, which is right. So we will divide by 6 plus 7 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference like 5 multiplied by 162 equals to 810. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out this one. So 810 divided by 6. So we get the answer is 135. 135 here, and plus 7 minus 8 we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 810 divided by 6 equals to 135. Now we have solved the division and multiplication. So now we have addition and subtraction, or you can say subtraction and addition. So what we have to do, we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have here addition, which is 135 plus 7. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 142. And minus 8 right here as it is. And with reference, we will write like 135 plus 7 equals to 142. Now move forward. We have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 134. So answer of the given expression is 134. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.